What's up mga kabayis? It's your resident Biter Bites. Welcome back to my channel. We are here at St. Kyle's and we're having our free breakfast for two. We rented, we checked in at this hotel kasi I had a birthday shoot with Jonathan last night. And he's my friend since elementary classmate sa high school. Oh no, sa high school hindi. Schoolmate lang kasi matalino siya. First section siya sa Dumaguete Science High School. Anyway, I'm here with JC. How was your
Hi.
sleep, JC?
Paputol-putol pero I was able to get some shot eye.
And yeah, I needed JC yesterday for the shoot kasi he knows how to let me pose. So he was the director. Jonathan was the photographer.
Grabe sa director.
Yeah, he gave me tips kasi he has lots of friends, female friends who are, pageant queens and pageantry enthusiasts. So definitely, magaling siya mag-direct sa akin. And I needed him there to give me ideas on how to pose or what to do, ganun. And then, very he's a critic. So parang if ayaw niya yung ginagawa ko, syempre, he voices it out. And then I need that. Also, Jonathan has a private, something medyo page na parang not for the public. Pero Instagram naman siya, hindi naman siya private, pero kasi medyo sexy shoots yung mga peg niya. So, ang link po nasa baba ng friend ko na si Jonathan. He's our classmate sa high school and he is a BS Physics guy. So, medyo matino yung niya. Matinong tao naman siya, pero he does sexy shots as well. And he's currently into marketing, no? You're the only guy, a person who has ever asked him about that.
Ano yung ginagawa niya?
Yeah, kasi hindi ko na siya tinanong kasi I thought he was doing Manulife, a lot of things. He's multifaceted, multi-hyphenate. Kasi nga he's intelligent, so he does several things. Pero I heard from you, when you asked him last night, marketing pala siya. Oh, yesterday pala.
Yun yung main job niya, marketing.
And then, ang dami ng food within guys. Parang worth it siya. Hindi ko expect na buffet. But I was thinking na baka buffet.
I remembered.
A buffet talaga. Oo kasi.
We were here. 2020 pa. Yung delayed yung flight namin pa Bangkok.
Madali.
So parang pa-courtesy siya ni Cebu pa.
Ay, libre.
Kasi we were about to depart 7:30 in the morning. Tapos nag-downgrade daw yung airplane from Bangkok to Manila. Tapos biglang na-delay, 6 p.m. na yung flight.
And also, they have Biko. I'm so happy about. I'm into Kankanen. Super, as in super duper. I miss Biko so much. But, JC's mom will cook Biko for me on Christmas. So I'm excited for that as well. Because JC said it's so good. He's not really into Kakanin. Ako super. We also have earlier yung suman from Bulacan na bigay ni Dar, ng jowa ni Dar.
Hindi pa, wala siyang jowa.
Okay, single. Bigay ng admirer.
Yeah, advan.
Bilang uncut to, bawal tayo magkamali.
Yeah.
Anong oras na ba? And their breakfast is 6 a.m. until 10 a.m. So we got here mga around 9-ish. Takto lang.
Tama lang.
Oh my God. Oh my God, ang sarap. Ang What is soup? Parang kimchi soup siya. Crab. Parang may crab.
Hindi ko alam yung cafe latte ko, mapait lang ba or hindi ko siya nilagyan ng sugar.
Hindi mo nilagyan ng sugar?
Okay na yun?
Press ka lang doon, di ba? Patikim. Parang siya naging black.
Oo, pero okay na yan. Alam mo na wala akong ideas ako.
Pero masarap siya.
It's into your liking naman.
Yeah. Yan yung pang pastry. Brownie doon, pair mo siya sa brownie.
Ah. So it's supposed to taste like that.
Yung mga coffee legit talaga, hindi matamis yung coffee nila. Kasi malalasahan mo yung quality ng coffee pag walang sugar.
Mm.
Kaya ako may sugar kasi bago lang naman ako sa coffee. Coffee eksena. Ang dami kong kinuha. Kahit may pagkain pa kami sa taas. May chicharon from Dar, from her admirer. And then may food pa kami from last night.
Food last time, nilamig na lang sa aircon talaga.
Oo nga, dapat sa inyo yun kasi masarap kung mainit yun. Mas microwave mo.
Mm.
Wala akong microwave.
Sarap to.
Sobrang sarap ng soup. Excuse me. What na ito? Asaltan mo ba? Ah. Curry. Ang sarap. Thank you. Dal curry. Malaysian. It's a Malaysian soup. Parang may crab. Gusto mo ba pumunta silipin yung pool area? May pool area daw.
Okay.
Sa level ng gym. May free access tayo doon.
Konting buhat.
Ngayon nakakakain lang. Mag-check out tayo ng 12. So, gagayak na by 11. Tingnan ko lang kung anong itsura. Nag-check mo na ba yung last time o hindi mo na maalala?
Hindi ko siya na-check.
Kasi pagod kayo
Doon kami
noon.
sa labas eh. Kumain. May ano to, parang may alfresco pa.
Buffet din. And also, kumuha ko ng fish. Ayan siya yung fish.
Thank you.
Dal curry. Malaysian soup. Malaysia kaya ito. Para lang dito. Mahilig ako sa masabaw talaga. Ikaw mahilig ka sa masarsya. Kaya pag mga dishes, usually inuuna ko yung may mga soup. Kunyari sa Korean, galbitang at saka kimchi jjigae, top 2 ko. Sa Japanese, hindi ako masyadong ramen, pero masarap ang ramen. Kaso I prefer sushi.
Pag mga soup, being your favorite mga sushi, California maki.
Yeah. Ang tawag dito, sa Japanese, ang gusto kong soup nila is miso soup. Ang sarap ng broth. Pero this, oh my God, sarap nito. Maanghang siya, guys.
Wow. Pag kumakain naman, napapabayaan ko yung soup.
Actually, usually first dapat ang soup. Kasi hindi siya nakakabusog. Pero nutritious siya. Yung broth niya. Tsaka habang mainit siya, dapat unahin mo siya. Kasi pangit na siya kung malamig. At saka may akong French toast.
Oo.
Namiss ko mag-French toast.
Gusto mo?
Oo, kukuha ako.